Hi guys, today we'll be making homemade onion rings for our recipe today. So you're going to need 1 onion, a 2/3 cup of milk, a 1/2 cup of flour, a 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to need some sort of oil to fry, your pan for frying, and a bowl to mix the batter. So this is the ingredients here: 1 onion, 2/3 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of flour, 3/4 tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can't see the salt, but it's right there. Alright, let's take you to the next step. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to take and peel your onion, and you're going to chop them like this. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to pop out the rings. Sometimes they stick, so they're a little tricky. Is to take your oil of your choice, and you're going to stick it in your pan, and it's going to equal about 1 inch, so you might need to add more oil or less. Okay, so we're going to take this and put it on the stove and heat it on low, so that by the time we're done doing our batter and onions, this oil will be ready. Heat your oil up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we are going to make our batter. You're going to place your milk in a bowl, your flour, and your baking powder and salt. You're just going to mix this until it's smooth. You can either do it with a fork, a spoon, or a mixer. So just stir until smooth. Next step is to put your onion in your batter and shake it around. And then you're going to take this over to your oil. Take this over to your oil and stick it in, and you're going to cook this about 2 minutes, and after the 1 minute you're going to flip it, and then you're going to take it out and you're going to stick it out onto your drying rack, and then I'll take you to the next. If this batter is too bland for you, you could add your own seasonings before you make the batter, or after. You could add it to the top of your onion rings. So if you think this tastes too bland, add your favorite seasoning and it'll spice it right up. So this is what our onion rings look like. If you were to use these in a recipe, you would just make it the way we did, but if you guys want like seasoning and flavor, you would just add that to the batter before you dipped your onions. Alright, so let's try one of these. These are really good onion rings. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you make these really good onion rings, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.